Morning! So, today, we're going to have a tour. So, yung tour na yan is we book from Klook. So, pupunta kami
So guys,
eight.
use Alex code in the description down below to avail the discount.
Yeah, use my code, Char. Kala mo talaga, influencer na talaga. Pero before that, magbe-breakfast muna kami saglit sa baba before going sa meet of place. I'm gonna show you pala my outfit check for today. Here's my outfit. My pants is from GU. My top is from Shein. And nag-ano lang ako, parang heat tech lang sa loob. And hindi na muna ako magpa-puffer and anything kasi I think bearable naman yung lamig for today's video. Nakita ko nga parang umulan nga kanina kasi basang-basa yung road. So, ayan. Sana mamaya hindi umulan. Parang smooth yung tour namin later around Jeju. Breakfast time. So, ano yung mga choices nila? What is this? Egg. Guys, make yourself bibimbap. Oh my God. First breakfast is I made my own bibimbap. So good. We're walking na papuntang pickup point, which is 8:50. 8:50 yung time. Medyo umaambon ako. Or sana mamaya wala na to. Guys, tingnan nyo yung view. Ito yung yung hotel namin. And this is the view. Sayang gusto ko sana here yung may balcony. Sabi ko ni. So, I think mas mahal siya. Tapos, ito pala. Yung tiles is carpeted tiles. Carpeted tiles? Oo, carpeted tiles yan. Look. Oh. So, sa Tuesday, tatakbo kami here. This yung buong kahabaan siguro nito. Ilang kilometers kayo yung haba nito, no? Let's see na lang sa Tuesday. Tingnan niyo si Mami nagmamadali, oh. Nandun na siya. Baka maiwan daw siya ng bus. Which is 8:25 pa lang naman. So, ayun na yung bus. I don't know where is, which is which. Pero mostly dito, yung pick-up point ng mga tour here sa Jeju. So, ayan, malapit na tayo. At nauna na nga si Mommy. Sobrang bilis. So, 8:27 pa lang. So, no need to rush. Nagkawit tayo sa hindi tamang pawiran. 7:01. So, wala pa. Oh, tapos nagmamadali ka. May dito na tayo. While waiting. And now, at the tour bus. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
It's raining. Yeah, the weather forecast. According to the weather forecast, it's raining all day. Maybe you guys bring umbrella and or raincoat.
So our first stop is the Hamdok Beach. So meron daw may 12 beaches daw here sa Jeju, but this is the famous one. Grabe, yung color ng water, oh. Siguro mas maganda pag like maaraw. Sabi daw pag summer, may mga water activity dito. Like parasailing, mga ganun-ganun. Meron daw dito. Tapos meron dito din mga restaurant there. This is the view. And this is the white sand.
White ba to?
Oh, white to. This is white sand. Ayun o, naglilinis sila. Marami kayo water. Can I dip my hand? Hindi yan. Okay, tingnan natin kung malamig yung tubig. Oh no, may dunks. Wait. Malamig. It's cold. Tapos na kami mag-photoshoot and pupunta kami sa may bridge doon.
Can you stop raining, please, Jeju?
Kaya, the tour is not touring.
Jeju, can you stop, please?
Ayan, this is yung mga water activities. Pakita na sa vlog.
Ang cute!
Look at this. Meron mga activities for the dog. Ang cute! Snorkeling, paddleboard, waffle boat, flying fish. It's giving Boracay. Pero pag lang siguro. Pag pag summer season. Tara na.
Season.
Summer season. Pero ang angas ng ano nila, water activities, pwedeng sama yung pets mo. Very pet friendly. Sheesh. Sana all pet friendly. Ito yung view.
May nai-imagine.
Anong na-imagine? Yung angle? For the angle. Actually, siya talaga yung naghanap ng angle. Tapos ginagaya ko lang. Anong laugh yun? Okay, we're almost at the bridge. Ang ganda dito. Ito. Parang K-drama feels. Ganon. Beautiful life. Na 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 na. For the next stop is the Songsan Peak. Songsan Peak. Kasi it's raining but laban lang. Yeah. We're going back to the corner when I first saw you. To the bus stop. Bus. Alam ko na abang pabalik tayo sa bus. I'll tell you the history of
For the notes.
of Jeju. Jeju Island. So Jeju Island daw, 700k people ang nakatira dito sa Jeju Island. And this is bigger daw sa Seoul, 3 times.
3 times.
Yes. Pag ililibot mo daw tong island, it would take 5 hours from north, west, east, and south of si picture hindi daw napapayungan.
Just say to me,
10-10.
10-10.
okay.
So,
Okay.
oh, she knows us.
Yun.
Okay.
Hey, best
Hey,
friend.
best
We're like this. Nahati sa 2 cities yung Jeju. The Jeju City and the Sogipo. Okay? Then sa isang Jeju City, nahati sa 2 towns. New Town tsaka Old Town.
Ay, totoo ba?
O, totoo nga. And, in the past daw, mas marami yung female kaysa male. Kaya, female-dominated city to. Yeah, woman empowerment. Sabi pa niya, yung Jeju City is formed by volcanic Keme.
Local
Yeah.
people, we all you. Especially, thank you. 감사합니다. Usually, you call me 언니. You
So we're here na sa Songsan Peak. Grabe, natulog lang ako pagpunta dito. Umuulan pa rin. Ay, dito. Wow! So this is the Songsan Ilchulbong. So, sabi kanina is UNESCO Heritage Site and part ng 7 Wonders of the World. Limutan ko yung cap, nakakainis. Okay. Group photo.
In South Korea, when taking photo,
Heart.
okay.
Kimchi. Free trail, summit trail. Right. Free trail dito sa left. And right trail dito sa normal trail. Dito ako sa normal trail. Exciting. Okay, wait.
Sayang, kung hindi walang ganda, no?
Bulubuho ko kanina sa picture natin na group.
Kimchi.
Ramdaman ko yung buhok ko.
Ayun natin mo.
Kimchi!
Let's go.
Gusto kong bibimbap.
And then come down that area. That is the exit. And
Okay.
go to the seashore area. Also very beautiful.
Okay. Andulas. Yung mga senior citizen. Pre-hiking pala dito eh. Basic. Basic. Yeah. Lalong lumalakas ulan ba?
Break time.
Break time.
Gagi one pa lang ako.
Ano ibig sabihin naman?
First time.
Fighting. Fighting.
It's never ending, guys. Malayo pa, pero malayo na, guys.
Init, pausig. Malamig pero mainit, pawis ako.
Malayo pa,
For the upo.
pero malayo na.
For the upo muna for the senior citizens.
Sa taas na tayo ng kinakabundok-bundukan.
Sabit, taas pa. Meron pa guys doon.
Okay lang sa view na to.
Meron pa doon guys. Meron pa ta. Ilang meters na lang.
Parang okay sa view na to. Parang maganda naman.
Maganda yung view. Ayun, nakita na natin dito.
Up, y'all. So, we're currently... Apparently... Hindi ko na kaya magsalita, guys. Tingnan nyo na lang yun.
Malapit na.
Kanina pa yung malapit na yan.
Guys, galing kami doon. So, may parking lot na yun.
Hindi talaga. Hindi, ano na. Paikot pa tong ganon.
Hindi ko na alam.
Gusto ko, dun ko lang gusto pumunta.
Anong pinasok natin dito? Sana pala bumaba na tayo sa descending trail.
Doon na tayo kung di na tumaas. Kung di na tumaas si tour guide.
No going back na talaga, T.
Wala nang, no choice.
No choice but to go up.
That's the way, but literally.
Wet look now. Tara, upo muna tayo dun. Okay, ito na yung summit. Let's go! Excited na bumaba. Oh! Narating na namin yung summit and that's all. Nakita nyo na. Kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan eh. Oh. And we need to go down. Going to the descending trail. That's the view sa summit. Pero kailan natin bumaba. May hanggang 1. Kaya baba na tayo. Pababa na din. Guys, summary. Senior citizen, not allowed dito. Ang hirap, pero since umulan, siguro pag umulan siyang araw, parang yun. Ang hirap here. Pero, yeah. Doon na tayo sa baba. Yan, sa may coastal area. Doon tayo pupunta. Actually, yun lang gusto namin makita. Sure. Okay, see you guys later. Sa baba. This is Sofichikoshi. So, sabi dito daw nag-shoot yung K-drama ni Song Ye Kyo ng All In. Tsaka nakita ko din parang yung My Girl dito nag-shoot. So guys, I'm very careful. Kasi kanina sa may hindi na ako man nakapag-video. Nadapa ako. Muntik na ako maging kwento dito sa Korea, sa Jeju. So, I'm very careful na ngayon. I think na-record ko yung yung una. Tapos, ayan yung May church doon. Wait, hindi siya church pala. I'm so sorry. It's like, Christmas house. Christmas gingerbread house. Di ko alam kung inopen nila to dati. Ayan o. Grabe alon. Buti tumigil na yung ulan. At hindi na hassle maglakad-lakad. So after this, may two stops pa kami. The Folk Village. Yun yung parang mga old living ng mga tao sa Jeju. Mga houses and stuff like that. And yung isa is the forest thingy. Ang ganda. So parang may lighthouse dun. Pero ayoko na akitin dahil napagod na ako kanina. Siguro hanggang dito na lang. Oh, okay.
And the western side, Komasa Mountain.
Kanya na naiintindihan ko. Okay, we're done here. Sunod sa Folk Village na. Nag-restroom lang sila kasi 30 minutes daw papunta from here. Si Denise na daw pa nagpipicture. Training. Dikit natin mo. Oh. Bebe Denise.
Bakit?
Picture. Ang dami kong kwento sa Korea. Nung unang pagpunta natin, nasira yung sapatos ko. Ngayon nadulas ako. I love Korea. Ano next?
No. You pray before you go.
Tara na. Bus na tayo. Nandun na si Uni.
Sabi ko, Oni.
Uni.
Sino Oni?
Yung tour guide. Oh my God. Meron dun windmills guys. Welcome to Ilocos. Jinx. Uy, tingnan mo lilit to. Parang pang manok. Pang manok talaga. So, correct. Okay lang ako.
Okay mo muna.
Ako muna magawa.
For the close ko na.
Sige. Tingnan nyo guys. Yung mga bahay dati dito sa Jeju. Ang cute.
Depending on the area, during Joseon Dynasty, this island was divided into three. Now, Jeju, the elderly people have
Ano? Harabuji is grandfather.
still now,
Wow.
they prefer
Makikinig.
why? We still now, we
Ito yung bet ko. Chill nga to tong for the tour na. Ang dami nagkita ko din sa sa Klook na comment kanina. Yung Eastern tour daw parang nakapagod. Tapos nag-southern sila kinabukasan. Mas chill daw. 4 days? Ano daw? Nagawa to. 3 gates daw.
and there is West Gate and East Gate.
Westgate. Westgate alabang. North Gate ano?
Direction? Where the
Alabang pala to eh.
that's why no North Gate.
Oh.
And only
Alam mo yung sa mga Korean drama, di ba? Ito yung entrance ng village. Tapos meron dun sa taas.
this is the South Gate.
Okay, let's enter the Korean, yung folk village dito sa Jeju. Hey. Look at the houses. May nakatira pa ngayon dito? Ano daw? Ay, may mga look. Merong naka-costume dun.
No rice, no water.
No beggar.
Oh, really?
No rice. No thieves. No beggar.
Walang thieves and so it's safe yun.
Okay.
Siyempre, may gate eh.
Instead of gate, we use the door. Instead of gate, we use cow. But in Jeju Island, there are a lot of horses. The female horse goes in front, and male horse follow her, like a human being, to grind the grain.
The tangerines, I wanna picture that.
In this village, there are 500 old traditional house. 500. The old traditional house was designated as a cultural asset. So we use toilet, black pig inside of toilet. They are very eco-friendly.
In your area.
Right? Yeah, very eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly.
Yeah, this is very
So, toilet yan. Traditional toilet dati.
old toilet.
Tapos kinakain ng black pork yung poops. Cool.
So we use to raise black pig. Black pig. As loud. Black pork is quite nice. You guys think
Ayun.
so?
Eh.
Yeah, this also toilet.
Toilet.
Every house has their own toilet. Of course now we don't use it,
Oh.
but in the past, yeah, we use it.
Open toilet.
Toilet nila before.
The village people live in this house.
Oh,
So as I
it's
told earlier, inside of the house, yeah, they have electricity, air conditioner, refrigerator, all same. Yeah, but outside of
They're
that
not
house,
allowed.
they cannot. They cannot. It is protected. Protected.
Preserved.
Cultural asset. Yeah, they need government permission. They need
the permission.
So they cannot modernize.
Oh.
So, but there are people living inside?
Yeah, living inside.
Some of the
Living
houses.
inside. 1,500 people living in this village.
Oh,
This
okay.
village.
They don't come out?
Huh?
They don't come out?
No, they live.
Tingin. Oo nga, nipa.
This is traditional house. We don't have any chimney.
Oo nga.
Chimney. No
Chimney.
chimney. If there is a chimney, yeah, we had a lot of invasion from outside. So if there is a chimney, the enemy can find. So no chimney. And the house is very low because of weather condition. Yeah, very windy and sometimes the storm, heavy rain, hit this island. So the house is very low, and the roof are tied tightly in a checkerboard pattern. Yeah, protect that roof
From the wind.
from strong wind. For about 30 minutes, halfway. Let's all go together halfway.
So, sabi ng tour guide, yung puno is almost 100 years old. Actually, 80 years old. Yung original route is 15 kilometers. Though, hindi namin kompleto yan since limited time. So, yung 30 minutes trail walk lang yung gagawin namin. Ayun yung map niyo.
Is here. Yeah, go straight. It's shortcut, only 3 minutes. But I recommend this train. Yeah, for about 15 minutes. Okay, take this road and go to this way and come back to the bus 5. This is shortcut, only 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You can go to the road, this road. Only 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Pag ako mag-isa dito, makawala. Hindi ko lang palabas. On our own now. Sana ganito palagi yung air. Ha? E di pag gumutot ka pala, ano, amoy na amoy.
Amoy yung dahon, no?
Oo. Much needed. Ang ganda ng daanan lang. It's wood. Wood ba to? Sure, hindi siya madulas. Na-trauma na kanina. Parang? Plastic ba to? It's not wood. So this is our last stop for today. And umulan buong tour. Pero it's fun.
Tagal siguro nila inano to, no?
Ano?
Nilagyan ng tree.
Siguro.
Anong daanan?
Haba nito eh. Sabi, di ba nga, 15 kilometers to. Pero, di, kaya sa tayo. So, yung short.
Shortcut lang yata tayo, di ba?
Oo, kasi 40 minutes keme-keme. Tsaka magdidilim na eh. Hindi kaya.
Parang walang ilaw.
Oh, yun lang. So, baka pag gabi, sarado na to. Pero maganda sana if lagyan nila ilaw. No?
Pero palang katakot sa kapag gabi.
Ito, part na to, ang ganda.
Dami.
Doon yung highway. So, it means malapit na tayo palabas. And that ends our tour for today. Pag uwi, we'll eat black pork near sa hotel. Okay, bye! We're now here to eat black pork. Pag pumunta ng Jeju, you need to eat black pork. Eh, ay, dako. Nasumisawis ako. For the coke.
Hindi. Basta yun ito.
Ang sabaw. Ang sabaw. Yan na yun. Ano to? Pork din to? Nakadililing na lang ako ngayon. Denise. Steamed egg. Sarap.
Plain rice. Gusto plain rice o fried rice na lang yan? Denise, plain rice o fried rice? Fried rice na.